Good evening to everybody. We are ready to start your meeting. If you can hear me, please kindly indicate on the Zoom chat box so that I can commence. If you can hear me, please kindly indicate so that I can commence. We're going to have a very short session and we'll be talking about how we can trade on HOTBIT and some other exchanges, how we can do trading analysis, and lastly, I will give some special coins that will do more than 100% to 1000% this month going forward. Okay. Okay, I guess everybody is ready for the meeting. So to start with, I will introduce you to one of the best exchange. It's called HOTBIT. So it's hotbit.io. It's one of the best exchange where there is a number of coins being listed on a daily basis. So it's actually an exchange where you can make maximum profit trading the new cryptocurrencies that have been introduced into this exchange. So we used to have like a number of 2 to 3 different coins being listed on this exchange on a daily basis. So if you can follow them in Twitter and other social media, plus them in their website, you will see those coins which have been which are about to be registered as from tomorrow going onwards, and actually you can trade them. They used to do more than 100% profit, but you need to be very careful trading them because they are too volatile. So you can make a lot of money at the same time. You can also lose your money if you are not familiar with the trading the new coins being listed into a particular exchange. So to start with, you will need to do some verification into your account. After that, then you'll need to put some security into your account. You need to enable your two-factor authenticator. You'll have to download your two-factor authenticator into your phone, and then you will increase the security. You will enable the two-factor authenticator into your phone, and then you link it into your account. After that, then you'll need to have funds so that you can start trading. You know what you have to do is to deposit. You have to go to wallet and then you click deposit. You will see a list of so many coins that have been traded into this exchange. So you have to choose the coin that you want to deposit. For instance, it's Ethereum. You'll choose Ethereum, and then you will see your address will be generated together with your QR code. So you can copy this address and deposit money into this address, or you can go direct to scanning the QR code. When you scan the QR code, it will automatically give you the exact address that is being displayed here. So you have to deposit into your account, and you will see after some few minutes, you will see your money into this exchange. If you want to withdraw, the same. You'll have to go to withdraw, like you have traded, and then like you just want to get out your profit. You'll have to go to withdraw, and then you'll kick you'll choose the currency that you want to withdraw, whether it's Bitcoin or whatever. Let's say use USDT. It will you'll have to put the address where you want to send the money. For instance, you want to withdraw from Hotbit to Binance, you will put your address here, and then you'll put the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you will submit. You will be required to put your two-factor authenticator, the ones that I've told you before. You just put it there, and then after some time, your money will be deposited into the particular exchange. Account that you requested for. So and then you can see the transaction histories, like your deposit histories, your withdraw histories. Everything will be displayed into this site. So going straight forward into the exchange, into the trading platform, the interface, you'll have to go to the exchange, and then you'll see you will see an interface like this one, and then you will choose the kind of coins that you want to deposit. For instance, you want to trade. For instance, you want to trade Tron. You will just write it. The short term of it is TRX, and then you will see we have different pairs, like 3 pair of them. We have Tron versus USDT, Tron versus BTC, and Tron versus Ethereum. For instance, I just want to trade Tron versus USDT. Then I will have to choose it. So it will bring the interface, the trading history, like the charts, the candlesticks, and the direction of the trade. And on top, you'll see the number of sellers with the red, and then the buyers, the bidders, with the green. So, for instance, you just want to buy Tron, you definitely, if you just want to use the market price, or you just want your order to be filled first, you just click the first cheaper seller, and then the price will be displayed here. You just put your amount, for instance, 100 Tron you want to buy, and then it means it will require like 33 USD, and then you click buy. So immediately your order will be executed. But if you just want to put a limit order, it means you just want to set your own buying price. It means it has to be more cheaper. For instance, this is the highest bidder, the one with the highest price. You just go down here, and probably you can buy it at around 0.03. So you have to edit the price and write 0.03, and then you put the amount that you want to buy, and you click buy. So your order will be listed below. So when your order is filled, then you will see your Tron here. And then after you have just bought the particular currency, thereafter you have to probably keep it for the future, or you can set a selling price. It depends on the amount of percentage that you want to make. Nobody will tell you the exactly price. Price target. It's for you to decide. It depends on the amount of profit that you want to make. If it's 100%, it means you'll have to sell it at around 0.06, because you bought it at 0.03. So you'll have to sell it at around, if you want to make 100%, it's 0.03, 0.06. And then when your time comes, then your order will be filled, and you will have USDT in your account. So that's how you can trade different cryptocurrencies into HOTBIT. So if it's a pump and dump coin, for instance, I sometimes give indication to the channel that is a pump and dump, or it's a pump signal, it's a pump coin. What you need to do is to go direct to, like, at the search button. You just search the coin, and you'll have to buy it at the market price, or you buy it according to, like, you choose the first seller. You choose the first seller, you buy from the first seller, and then immediately you can sell at probably from 30% profit up to 100% profit. So if it's a pump and dump, make sure you set a selling price, unless otherwise the coin will dump on you. So that's how you can be able to trade on a HOTBIT, and the same procedure will be used to trade on KuCoin. It's a bit slower trading using the interface on KuCoin. It's a bit slower as compared to other exchanges, but it's one of the best exchanges that I use and make a lot of profit. So the same technique that I showed you, on trading HOTBIT, you'll be using them to trade on KuCoin. So the second part, I'll be talking about the trading analysis. A lot of people have been asking me, like, how do I make analysis of a particular coin, or, like, what do I have to do? First of all, cryptocurrency it has been taken off by fundamental factors. People are trading the news. For instance, you find, like, a coin. Let's say, let's get back to coin market cap and see some of the stuff that I'll be talking about. For instance, Tron, TRX. Tron has now a lot of news that has been going around. There are a lot of staking, some what is this? Smart contract, So it means it's the high time for Tron to skyrocket. Why? It's because it has so many demand. It has so many demand, and so many people are actually looking for a buying Tron to do some sort of staking and smart contract and the like. So let's go and see like how we can analyze in a very quick uh, way a coin like Tron. Okay, let me search for it. You first of all go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the place where almost all the coins have been listed. You choose the particular coin that you want to do analyze. You want to analyze it. Let's say Tron is TRX. The tick of it. So you'll first of all go to have an overview of that coin. Here is where all the important details about the particular coin is being listed or is being displayed, including the user case and the integration, sort of like that. And then secondly, you'll have to see the pairs. You just go to the market pairs. You'll see the place where the coin is being traded. You can be a good you can be good in analyzing a particular trade or a coin, but sometimes if you cannot know, you cannot see the place where the coin is being traded, then it's like you have done nothing. So you can see the coin is being traded into so many exchanges. It's more than 20 exchanges. The first one with the greatest, with the big volume is in Binance. It's TRX versus USDT. So you can see the volume in the past 24 hours. So it's quite a lot. So it means the liquidity into this exchange is much higher as compared to other exchanges that have been listed below. So the second one is OKEX, Huobi, and the like. So this is the place where you can see the pairs, different pairs where the coin is being traded. Then the second thing you can do is to go to on-chain analysis. You'll see like the number of people that are holding that coin, the number of addresses, and the concentration, like how many people are now buying the coin. And let's get into link. I don't see the details that I want to display on chain analysis. Let's go to the other coin, which is called the link. So you see holders making money at the current price. Now is around 10%, but those people who are losing now is around 22%. But the money which is in, the people have been holding is around 68%. So definitely from this simple analysis, you can see that the coin is much of what is of great potential, not trading it right now or holding it. And then you can see different stuffs like the money being put into the transaction that is greater than this one. You can see it. You can see the holders composition, the percentage and the like. You can see if the coin is going down or is going up. Like the coin is now at the middle, so it means definitely you will not lose anything selling it or buying it. So it's actually the right time to buy the coin because it's at the low prices compared to the previous prices. The previous trend for the past 1 week. So the other thing you can use to analyze a coin is using the coin checkup. For instance, I just left the Tron. Now I'm talking about the link. The chain link is one of the very, very potential coins that everybody can trade every day and make money every day. So you can see the overview, like for the past 24 hours. The price has been going up and down. It has been stabilized for some time. Now you can see like from this graph, you can see now the price definitely in the night or as of tomorrow will be going up. But again, you can see the technical analysis, like the forecast. Like now, so many people are buying. So actually, if we have it, it means the time of selling. But again, It means if people, so many people are buying it, what's the indication? It means that the coin is now much needed as in, than the previous 24 hours. So it's actually the best time to buy it, and you can sell it. If it's on the strong buy, it means so many people are selling it. So definitely people are getting money out of this coin. So it will definitely go down. So this is one of the best strategy I use it to analyze some trade, and I would like to share with you just for free. This is just a nutshell, but you can use your time to go and do some, some research. You can you can study it. You can also do the prediction. You see, like you want to predict like how will the coin be in the next 24 hours or in the next 7 days. You can see everything is written here. So I just want to give a nutshell of what, like an assignment or a nutshell of what you can be doing during your spare time. So what else I'd like to talk about on trading analysis is on, I said the first one is on chain analysis, and the second one I said on coin checkup. Then the third one is on fundamental. Every coin has its own website, and every coin has its own Telegram group. So you can navigate into those channels and the website and the social media and see the news that is being broadcasted uh, often into those channels. Those are the things that can help you to make some prediction and analysis. For instance, Chainlink might have a partnership with a certain big company, or you know, sometimes it can introduce something of innovation or of a great use. So it means that one will trigger people, it will draw attention to, you know, to people so that they can, they'll now shift the force into like going to have a look on that on that coin, and definitely they'll be interested due to what have been introduced. So it means the demand will be up, and hence the price will go up. So that's what that's the way you can use to analyze some coins. Then the last part I'd like to share with you this night is special coins that will do more than 100% to 1,000% this year going forward. So the first one I've just talked about is Troni. You know, you can have it from different exchanges. For instance, you can trade it on Binance. You just go to your account, find your account as I shown you in the previous on HOTBIT. The same procedure will be using them into different exchanges like in Binance. So you have to choose the pair like Tron BTC, and then you'll see the current price is 330 Satoshi. So actually, this is the best time and the best price to engage into this pair, into this coin. So uh, you can buy it around 320 up to 330 Satoshi, and then you can hold it for maximum profit. For instance, I can show you. I I even bought the coin. You can see the date. You can see the date over here, and then you can see I bought around 19,815. So I bought it around it was 320 Satoshi. So now I placed the sale order at 600. So it's around 1,000. I mean 100% profit. So I'll definitely wait for it to, once it reaches this price, the order will be executed automatically. So I don't give you what I don't trade. So whatever I give you in my channel or private, just be sure like I also trade it. So the second one is called Chainlink. I have talked about it. Uh, Chainlink and Tron has a great potential. Why? It's because of the innovation that is being introduced now and then, because of the upgrade. It's because of the partnership. These two coins are the real gem. They're doing a lot of partnership every now and then. and it's because of the smart, I mean, the staking and smart contract that is being conducted using, for instance, the Tron. That's why the demand is too high, and so many people are engaging into Link and Tron. So it's very important to buy and hold them. Then the third one is called Econ. There's a coin called Econ. CORN. Yes, this one here is one of the best coin that you can buy for the future. You know, this coin can make you a millionaire. Look at this. Now the price is around $56, but the maximum supply is 15,000. Imagine the maximum supply is too little. So expect this coin to reach even more than 400% this year. So you can just buy one and hold. And where can you get it? You can get it in so many exchanges. For instance, you can get it into Get.io, Bitforex. You can get it into HOTBIT, Poloniex, and BigX. I've talked about HOTBIT, and it's where actually I just bought the coin. I just bought a few of them, keeping them for the future. And then the fourth one is called Y5. I'll just give 5 coins before I end up the meeting. As I promised you that the meeting will be very, very short. You know, Look at the supply. And now the price is around $46, but the total supply is very little. You can also accumulate this coin. You can trade it, but you can also buy it for the future. It's mainly found in HOTBIT. You can also buy it in Uniswap, but the charges are too high. So I will recommend you to go and navigate into HOTBIT. So the last one I will recommend is NMWARA. This is one of the best coin. I bought it like 6 months ago. It has done more than 500% by the time I bought it. It was around $4, but now it's $66. I bought it at $4. It was around 4 months ago, and now it's $66 dollar. So you can buy it into Bittrex. I just accumulated it into Bittrex, or you can also buy it into. I see it has been listed into Binance and some different exchanges. So those are the 5 coins that you can accumulate and make maximum profit from this month going forward. So that marks the end of of tonight's session. Getting ready for another session. I will just let you know when will be the other session and what I'll cover in the other session. So I'll just give 2 minutes just in case you have any question or anything you want to ask. You can just type your question on the Zoom chat box before I end up the meeting. Just in case of anything, please don't hesitate to write your question or to write anything you want to know concerning what I've been talking about. And then I'll be more than happy to respond to it. Someone is asking what about XFY? XFY. I don't know the coin, my brother, XFY. I'll just do a research and just in case of anything, I'll let you know. So right now, I have no any information about XFY. So many people have been launching every now and then, my brother. So thank you for your concern. I'll just do some little research and I'll get back to you. You just be posted into our channel. In the absence of any more question, we're gonna call it a night. Uh, we're gonna call it a night. Please share the our Telegram channel link to as many people as you can. Why Binance isn't volatile like any other. Binance is just an exchange. So we speak of the coins that have been listed in the Binance. We don't speak of the Binance as in Binance because that's an exchange. So why the coin are not too volatile? No, they are volatile. There's some coins that are too volatile, like as compared to other exchanges. So you have to do. When there's there is too volatility in the market. It means there is it's actually the wide opportunity or the big opportunity for us to make money. You buy at low, at deeper, and then you sell at high price. So don't limit yourself into just one exchange. There are so many exchanges. I don't advise anyone to trade just in one exchange. Sometimes they might be on maintenance for a whole day. It means you will not be trading the whole day. So you better be using some different exchanges. I use more than 10 exchanges, but I will be introducing to you one by one. Now I've introduced to you Binance, HOTBIT, OKEX, Bittrex. So going forward, some more and more exchanges will be introduced, and I'll teach you, I'll show you, I'll coach you how to trade on those exchanges, and some precautions to be taken while trading on those exchanges. So that is no problem uh, at all. Okay, so in absence of any question, I want to call it a day, and thank you for thank you for thank you for watching. Thank you for participating in today's discussion. I know you have gained a lot, and actually I've just left you with an assignment to go and do some research and practice of what I told you. So guys, thank you and see you next time.